Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Flagship season is heating up, and Oppo just dropped a monster. This is the Find X8 Ultra, unveiled on April 10th, 2025. And it's not just flexing specs, it's changing the game, especially in mobile photography. Curious? Please watch until the end. First off, this thing is stunning. We've got a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a crisp 1440p resolution and buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels are ultra slim, and despite its size, the body stays sleek at just 8.78 millimeters thin. And yes, IP68 and IP69 rated, so it's basically ready for anything. Under the hood, we're rocking the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage. Whether you're gaming, editing video, or just opening 40 Chrome tabs, this phone doesn't even flinch. But let's talk about the real star, the camera system. Oppo packed in 4 50-megapixel sensors, all tuned by Hasselblad. That includes 3x and 6x Periscope telephoto lenses, with faster apertures for better low light. You've got a haptic shutter button, actual zoom control built in, and even a customizable shortcut key. Everything about this screams DSLR-level ambition in your pocket. With all this power, you'll need juice. And Oppo delivers. The 6,100 mAh battery is paired with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. That means you're back at 100% in minutes, not hours. The only catch? For now, the Find X8 Ultra is only available in China. But if you can get your hands on it, this might be one of the most complete smartphones of 2025. Flagship power, camera magic, and killer design. Oppo just raised the bar. Would you import the Find X8 Ultra? Or are you waiting for the global launch? Don't forget to like, sub, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know in the comments.